So let's get started, Akshana. Sohita, while we're waiting for Akshara and other kids to join.
Okay.
So let's quickly check the tables while we are waiting for everybody else. Okay?
Okay, got it.
So table till
12.
8, 9 ja.
7, 8, 9 is 72.
5, 8 ja.
40.
7, 7 ja.
49.
6, 8 ja.
48.
7, 8 ja.
56.
9, 9 ja.
81.
12, 4 ja.
48.
5, 7 ja.
84.
5, 7 ja 35.
I thought you said 12, 7.
No, it was 5, 7 ja. But yeah, 12, if you heard 12, 7 ja, then 84 is correct. Okay, 12, 9 ja.
108.
Okay. So before everybody else joins, right? Let's do one thing. I want to check how comfortable are you with LCM. Okay. So okay. Okay, so you remember what is LCM, correct? If I ask you to find out the LCM of 6, 5 and 3, how much that would be? Can you quickly do it and tell me?
I just forgot because
Just forgot. Okay, so when you have to do LCM of 3 numbers, let's say 3 numbers or 4 numbers, whatever it be, okay? Write down all the numbers. And then you start with the smallest number that can divide one or many of them or all of them. So can you think of a number that can divide, or the smallest number that can divide most of it or at least some of it? I see, we always start with 2, 3, 4, 5 kind of a thing, okay? Smallest number is 2. 2 can divide 6, but not 3, right? So let's start with 2. 2 times 3 is 6, I will write a 3. 5 doesn't come in the table of 2, so I'll write 5 as is. And 3 also doesn't come in the table of 2, so I'll write 3. Okay? So one number is done. Now what is the next number, next smallest number that you can think of?
3 is the next smallest.
Okay, so let's put a 3 here. 3 ones are 3, I'll write a 1. 5 doesn't come in the table of 3, so I'll write 5. Again 3 ones are 3. Okay? Now,
Next is 5.
next is 5. So 1 remains 1, we don't touch that. 5 ones are 5, 1. What do we have? 2, 3 and 5, and everything else is 1 now. So as soon as you get a 1 here at the bottom, you have to stop. And then look at all the numbers that you got here. 2, 3 and 5. Multiply them all. 2 into 3 into 5. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. Hey Praneeth. I like your style. So belated happy Diwali to everybody. I hope you guys had fun and a safe Diwali. Okay, that's what is more important. Fun always comes with some amount of fear, right? I mean, when you're bursting crackers and if you just lose your focus, you might hurt yourself. Yes, Praneet.
Sorry for being a little late. I just came back from school.
I was bothering Daddy and Daddy told me that. So it's okay. It's not a problem for you.
Actually, I have late and then I have that class, so it takes a little time in the drive.
I understand.
Because I come at
Okay.
And I also have to drop my friend off at his house.
Okay. Alright, so Praneet, while we are waiting for all the kids to join, I was checking with Sohita if she remembers LCM. And same question for you also. Do you remember how do you calculate LCM?
Yeah.
What is LCM?
Like, what is the smallest? You divide it by the smallest number.
If I say find out LCM for 4 and 5.
4 or 5?
4 and 5. What is the LCM for 4 and 5? Sohita and
That's easy.
yeah. And Praneet, try finding it out for me.
The LCM for 4 and 5 is 20.
20?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, Sohita. Working on it? Okay. Do it. Do it without any pressure, okay? We have to enjoy every problem that we solve. So Praneet, while Sohita is solving this one, I want you to find out LCM for 3, 8, 9 and 4. Three, 8, 9 and 4, Praneet. Take that hat out. I know you're looking cute, but it's not needed. What happened, Sohita?
She's confusing and she's doing that's what just I told.
No, don't worry about it. I'll take care of it. Yeah, Sohita, tell me, beta. It's fine. You and I are not scared of each other. Yes, Sohita. Yeah, beta, tell me.
I've got the answer 11.
11.
11, no.
I mean, 2, 5, 2.
252. Okay. Don't worry about it. What was the question? This one?
No.
2, 4 and 5, right?
Oh yeah.
4 and 5. Okay. Let's hear Praneet's answer and then I will do both of them. Yeah, Praneet.
For 3, 8, 9 and 4, the LCM is 72.
Okay. Let's do it one by one. Okay, so Sohita, first of all, remember one thing, that your teacher is not scary, okay? You can ask me questions as many times you want, okay? And my job is not done unless everybody in the class is very clear about whatever we learn, okay? So don't worry about it. So 4 and 5, that was the question first, okay? Do we have any even number here?
Yes.
We have. So Praneeth, don't do that. But if you keep changing your emojis and all, it gets my attention for no reason. Okay. So I have an even number. So I can always divide that by 2. Okay. The smallest number other than 1 is 2. So we can start with 2. How many times of 2 is 4? 2 2s are 4. Okay. Does 5 come in the table of 2?
No.
No. So I'll write 5 as is. Now, what is the next number I can think of other than 1? Again 2. I can again pick 2. 2 1s are 2. 5 doesn't come in the table of 2. Fine. Now, what is the next number? Next smallest number other than 1 that can divide this one? It's 5.
5.
Yeah? So 1 remains 1, 5 1s are 5. All done. We have all 1s at the bottom. Praneeth, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Don't rush. Again, to everybody here, I don't want any of you to rush for answer or for jumping it. It's math is a subject that I want you guys to enjoy. Okay? Be happy about doing math. Don't rush. Now, I have all 1s at the bottom. That means I can stop here. When I stop here, then I will see what are the numbers I have. 2, 2 and 5. What I have to do? I have to multiply them all. 2 times 2 is 4 times 5 is 20. That's my LCM. Hello. Okay? Yes, Praneeth. It's okay. If you want, you can be my guest. That's okay. Come over.
Make it easier by turning the 4 divided by 2 divided by half.
What's your name?
Chris.
Chris. You can be here, ma'am. It's perfectly fine. We don't have many kids in the class today. Okay. So Praneeth, again, right now what we are doing, Chris, is you can take out your bag and take your notebook and a pen out. We will do a lot of things together. Okay? Do I speak very fast, Chris?
Yes.
I speak very fast?
Yes.
Is that okay or not okay? Kind of okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So stop me if I am saying something which you are not able to understand. Okay? All right. Because the kids here in the class, they have been with me for some time, so they can understand me because they have spent some time. Yeah.
Do I need to understand? Like these kids.
No, don't worry about it. It's my job to make you understand. So you don't have to worry about it. Okay? And what you can remember here is, this is the iPad which is recording me and the class. Okay? What that means is, you don't have to take notes. You have to only solve problems. You have to only understand things from me and then solve problems. If you get stuck, ask me. Okay? So you don't have to take notes. Okay, these are the things that we learned. Okay, don't worry about it. Okay? Because you can always watch the video later to revise what we learned if you forget something. Okay? And do I look scary by any chance?
No.
No, it's okay. So be comfortable to ask questions. Yes, Praneeth, you were saying something.
When we divide the number like 4, we can divide it by 2, but we cannot divide 5 because it's an odd number.
I mean, see, look at it in a simple way. So right now, Chris, I'm explaining how to find out LCM. LCM stands for lowest common multiplier. So I have explained that to the kids in the class before. For you, it is new. If you have not come across this, don't worry about it. We'll just do some playful thing today. Okay? So, Praneeth, let's not overthink about it. Let's keep it very simple. I have 2 numbers. I have 2 numbers to divide.
Yes.
Yes, Sweta?
What's LCM?
Lowest common multiplier. Now, look at it this way. If I have 10, okay? Look at this. 2 is multiplied by 5 and then you get a 10. 5 is multiplied by 2 and then you get a 10. So 10 is called a multiplier of 2 and also a multiplier of 5. If I am looking at 12, I can divide 12 by 2, 3, 4 and 6. So 12 is a multiplier of 2, 3, 4 and 6 as well. Yeah? So when you now look at 24, okay? 12 can be divided by 2, 3, 4 and 6. 24 also can be divided by 2, 3, 4 and 6. So LCM or the lowest common multiplier tells you that okay, between these two if you have to choose, you choose this one. Okay? Alright? Yeah? Okay, so Chris, now you pay attention to what I'm going to do next. Okay? I have, what were the numbers? Praneeth, the second question for LCM. What were the numbers for which you found LCM as 72?
Yes.
What were the numbers for which you got the LCM as 72?
It was 3, 8, 9, and 4.
3, 8, 9 and 4. Okay. So now, let me again give a quick rundown to Chris so that he also understands it the same way that we all understand. Okay. So Chris, we are trying to learn something called LCM.
Okay. I know what is LCM.
You know what is LCM?
Lowest common multiplier.
Okay. And if I have these four numbers, 3, 8, 9 and 4, and I'm trying to find out the LCM, do you know how to find it?
Yeah.
Try it.
Oh, okay.
And go wrong. There is no penalty for making mistakes here in this class, okay?
Yeah.
If you go wrong, feel happy about it. I'll correct it.
Okay. What is the operation?
You have to find out the LCM for 3, 8, 9 and 4. Do you know how to do it?
Yeah.
Do it. Try it. Sohita, you can also try it. Praneeth has already got the answer, so you can try it. And after 2 minutes, I'll try explaining it. Praneeth is learning new style. He's doing this every 2 minutes. Huh? Okay. 3, 8, 9 and 4. And you might want to put a comma in between. So Sohita, do it. I'll come back to you. Okay. So see, I also became a student. Now, first thing first. In this class, I asked the kids 2 things. One is waste a lot of paper. This is not a paper, but
Yep.
what I mean is keep enough distance between the numbers. Okay. So let's say we are trying to write 3, 8, 9 and 4. I will write a 3, and an 8, and a 9, and a 4. It's very clear. If you are doing it on a paper, waste as much paper as you can. Mommy is sitting here, she's listening to you. She'll not be upset if you waste paper. Okay? It's okay. Alright? Second thing is, in the class, I ask the kids to be fearless. Meaning, you're doing something, we can go wrong and we can do it right.
Okay.
Going wrong is fine. It's okay. That's how we learn.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. So you have written it down now. Try doing whatever you know, whatever you remember. If you don't know, it's okay. We'll learn.
I don't know.
You don't remember it, it's okay. Can you just stand up a little bit? Sit down. Yeah. And sometimes in the evening, what happens is we get some mosquitoes if I keep the door open. So that's why you are hearing that sound. That is for keeping the mosquitoes away?
No. And you put this ball away.
Okay. It's okay. So this sound that you're hearing, that is for keeping the mosquitoes away. If that is bothering you, let me know.
Yeah.
And if you still see mosquitoes around, this is for repelling the mosquitoes. Okay? Alright.
And then the monsters are bothering.
Okay. Hey Akshara. You got a little late. So it'll be a short class for you, okay? So Akshara, we wanted to learn how to do fraction, multiplication and division, but we are just doing a quick recap of what we learned in the previous class. That is LCM. I have given this problem to everybody for solving. I want you also to try finding out the LCM for 3, 8, 9 and 4. Can you give it a try? And everybody has only 2 minutes, okay? And then I will do my magic. Alright? Okay. So, you guys have 2 minutes. You will not see me. I'm not disappearing right now. I'll come back to you guys. Okay. Now, see, this is how it works here. Do you know tables?
Yeah.
What are tables do you know?
I'm
Table
okay.
of 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 4 there.
Yeah.
How much?
5 times 4 is 20.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Do you know table of 6?
Yeah.
6 times 7.
6 times 7 is What? I don't know.
I don't know. It's okay. It's okay. Wait. So that's another thing that you will do. Give me a book. So let me write the table of 6 for you real quick. And what you will do is whenever you get bored, okay, you will
Actually, I know what is 6 times 7 is.
yeah.
Actually, I can say the answer is.
Wonderful. So that's how we memorize, okay? What happens is you will guys, are you ready? So you will say this from the 6, 6, 12, 6, 18, 6, 24, and then once you think that you have memorized it, you will cover it. 6, 4, 24, 6, 8, 48, 6, 9, 54, 6, 7, 42. If you can remember like that, then you will hold this and take it to mommy and say, okay, ask the question from the number 6.
I need to do 6 times 7 again.
Don't worry about it. We'll come back to this. So you can practice it, okay? You can practice it later, not in the class, okay? So I will explain. So that's why table is very important. So if we learn tables, our math becomes much more fun, okay? So we'll come to that. Are you guys ready? Akshara, Sarita.
My answer is 72.
Okay, how about Akshara? Akshara will not share her result answer with me.
I haven't got my answer.
You haven't got your answer. Okay, so let's do one thing. Just because now I do not want to be little serious about this class, let's finish this one quickly and then we'll go to the fun part of it, okay? So let's try to do this. I will do it and everybody who has done it, just verify if you did the same way or if I'm making mistake, okay? Teachers also can make mistakes. So if I'm making mistake, let me know. So the numbers were 3, 8, 3, 9, 9 and 4. Correct, Chris? 3, 8, 9 and 4, yeah. So when you are trying to find out the LCM, your goal is to find out the smallest number that can be divided by all these 4. Lowest common multiplier, okay? I'll give the same example. If I have 3 and 2, let's say I'm trying to find out the LCM for these two guys, okay? Meaning lowest number that can be divided, that is a multiplier of 3 and 2 both. Look at this. I can go on. 3 times 2 is 6, 2 times 3 is 6. So this is a multiplier of 3 and 2 both. Again, if you look at 12, 3 times 4 is 12, 2 times 6 is 12. This is also a multiplier of these two numbers. Look at 18. 3 times 6 is 18, 2 times 9 is 18. This is also a multiplier of these two numbers. But we are talking about lowest common multiplier. Okay? That's why we said 6 is the LCM for 3 and 2. Now we are trying to find out the LCM for, let's do for 3 and 2 first, so that you guys can follow it. Now, how you do it? Write both the numbers for which you are trying to find out the LCM and find out the smallest number that can divide one or all of them. It has to be bigger than 1, okay? So the smallest number apart from 1, I will look at 2. 3 doesn't come in the table of 2, does it?
No.
No. So I will write 3 as is. I could not touch 3. But 2 ones are 2. One step done. Now, I will exclude 1 and then look for the next biggest number that can divide rest of it. So if I am excluding 1, what is that I am left with? Only 3. Correct? So I will try dividing the whole thing by 3. 3 times 1 is 3. So I am basically dividing this by 3. 3 times 1 is 3. And then 1 remains 1. Once I have all 1s at the bottom, I will stop. So what do I have? 2 and 3. I'll multiply those two. What do I get? 6. This is what was the LCM that I was talking about. 6, 12, 18 and 24. We picked 6. Now the same approach we'll use for finding LCM for these 4 numbers. Okay? Akshara, you're with me? Sohita with me? Everybody? Am I teaching something wrong so far? No? Yes? Okay. Good. Because I'm always afraid that if I'm teaching something wrong to you guys will say that this is a bad teacher, let me find a better one. I don't want to lose you guys. Okay? I'm just kidding. So we are trying to find out LCM for these 4 numbers. Okay? Same approach. What is the smallest number that can divide one or all of them except one? What I can start with? Chris, any idea?
What are we gonna start with?
Any number that is bigger than 1 which can divide one or all of them or some of them.
All of them.
Which one I'll pick?
Do you want to pick 9? It's
No,
the biggest
9.
number.
No, I want to pick the smallest one actually.
Actually, 3 is
3? Okay. Yeah, Akshara, what do you think? 3? Okay. This one doesn't mean anything to me. You have to tell me a number. How would I know otherwise? Okay.
I agree with.
Uh-huh.
It's
3. Okay. So I'm always looking for the smallest number, okay? So 3 could be 1. I'm still leaning on picking up 2 actually. Because 2 is smaller than 3. Yeah, yes, Sohita.
It's 2.
I'm picking 2, let's say. How many times of 2 gives me an 8? 4?
Yeah.
4, okay. 3 doesn't come in the table of 2, so I will leave it. 9 also doesn't come in the table of 2, I will leave it. How many times of 2 gives me a 4?
2.
2. What is the next smallest number I can pick up? Again 2.
Actually, smallest is 2.
I'll again pick up 2 because I see a 2 here.
Yeah.
How many times of 2 gives me 4? 2 2s are 4. 3 doesn't come in the table of 2. 9 doesn't come in the table of 2. 2 1s are 2. I got 1 1 now. Our goal is to get all 1s at the bottom. Okay. Now the next smallest number I can pick up apart from 1 is 2 again. 2 1s are 2. 3 doesn't come in the table of 2. 9 also doesn't come in the table of 2. 1 is already done. Now which number should I pick? Chris.
I want the smallest number.
Yeah, smallest number other than 1.
It's 3 smallest.
3.
Yeah.
3 I can pick up 3. 1 remains 1. 3 1s are 3. How many times of 3 gives me 9? 3?
3 times 7.
Yep. 1. Now, what is the smallest number I can pick?
Is it?
3.
3. 3.
Yeah, so I did.
1, 1, 3 1s are 3, 1 remains 1. This is what we wanted to get to. All 1s at the bottom. What do we have? 2, 2, 2, 3, 3. So that is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Okay? 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8. 8 times 3 is how much?
Oh no.
Yeah.
Actually, 8 times 3 is 24.
Wonderful. How about 24 times 3 is how much?
72.
72. So 24 times 3 is 72. You don't have to memorize the table of 24, but you can find it out. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 72. Yeah?
72.
So this is what was the LCM. So whether you have one number, two number, I mean you don't have to find out LCM for one number anyways, right? That number is a multiplier of itself. So 2 numbers or more. 2 numbers or more. Are you getting bothered by mosquitoes? You can use this one now. It's okay. No, I mean. Okay. So whether you have 2 numbers or 5 numbers or 7 numbers, you have to put it on your skin actually. Rub it. Yeah. So understand now? Wonderful. So basically, whether it's 2 numbers, 3 numbers, 4 numbers, 5 numbers, 10 numbers, doesn't matter. Same approach. You'll pick up the smallest number other than 1 and try dividing 1 or more of them till you get to a point where you have all 1s. Okay? That is how you find out the LCM. And why we find out LCM? Because that helps you. If you have a set of numbers for which you are trying to find out the smallest number that can be divided by all of them, that's the purpose. Okay? And we use that for fraction, addition and subtraction. Do you know how to add fractions?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll give you some problems to solve. Okay. After the class, today and on Thursday, I give few assignments. Okay. Not for kids to get scared, but to practice what we know. Okay.
Yeah.
And when you practice it and then send it to me, I mean, after showing it to your parents, when you send it to me, I would know, okay, my kids have understood this or have not understood this. Then I help you to make it easy, okay? Now, it was Diwali yesterday, correct? Everybody remembers that it was a festival, and festivals come with a lot of fun. So in today's class also, we still have the hangover of Diwali. So we want to do fun, okay, in this class. What do I mean by that? Are we going to start singing, dancing, or we'll do some math? What is the plan?
Let's do some math.
Some math. Okay, yeah, good.
And one thing,
Mm-hmm.
how would you turn a fraction into a whole number like 1
You-
plus
You cannot turn a fraction. Okay, so
3 by 6?
so you cannot turn a fraction to a whole number. If I have 3/9, no matter how much money you spend, you cannot turn it to a whole number. But if you have a whole number, you can turn it to a fraction just by putting a 1 below. Yep. Okay. So never ever try to turn a fraction into a whole number unless it is a whole number by itself. Okay. And that's the reason why I say I have one best friend. And do you know who is it? Fractions are my best friend.
Yeah.
Because whether I have a whole number, mixed number, decimal, I can convert them all into fraction. That's why I tell everybody that, okay, remember one thing. Who is my best friend? That is fraction. If I am dealing with different types of numbers, I can convert them all into fractions, but the reverse of that is not correct. Okay?
As we can solve this one.
You can solve this one? Okay, so we are not doing that one. See, as I said, I am still trying to enjoy Diwali, okay? I am not wanting to learn anything today. So what we'll do today is only fun. Let's look at the fun part of it. If I have, let's say, 5 into 9 and at the numerator, and I have 10 into 3 in the denominator. Okay. If I am trying to do this, yes, Akshara, you're saying something.
So it's today Kartika Deepam.
Okay. Diwali. Yesterday it was called Diwali.
No, but is it Kartika Deepam today?
I'm not sure. I'm still.
It's after Diwali.
Okay, maybe you're right. I mean, I would not know the name exactly, but I know that it's a smaller version of Diwali. I mean, yesterday we had 10 candles, today we'll probably have 2 candles maybe. Yeah? But let's come back to math. We are still going to have fun. Right? Hold it. Let's try to cut down on the discussion, otherwise we'll move away from math. So this is what we have, okay? I have 5 into 9 in the numerator and 10 into 3 in the denominator. So here, I am your superstar for next 25 minutes. You'll only look at what I'm doing on the board. Alright? Yeah? I don't look like superstar for sure, but pay attention to what I'm saying. Okay? I just need your attention. So when I have a situation like this, it is an opportunity to play. How? If you have to solve this, how will you do in the simplest way that you know? What will you do?
Do I need to solve both?
No, don't think about solving. Just tell me what will you do if you have something like this. What will you do?
I will do this one.
No.
Multiply those both?
One more time.
Do we have to multiply those both?
You have to multiply these two.
Yeah.
This becomes 45.
And that too.
Divide, multiply these two. This becomes 30. Yeah?
Yeah.
But that is not fun. Bigger numbers are not fun. We have to try to find out ways to make them simple, smaller, right? Pranit is not able to hold his excitement. Go ahead, tell me.
Is the answer 3 by
I'm sorry?
Is the answer 3 by 2?
Now I'll say something that nobody will like. I don't really care about the answer. Yeah? I don't care about the answer. What do I mean by that is, what happens is like you are seeing here. When we are trying to do something, somebody has done the calculation and rushing for the answer. I'm saying don't rush. I'm saying don't rush for the answer. Enjoy the math. Let's enjoy it first. So, is it 3 by 2 or 6 by 9? I don't know right now. I just want to cherish the moment of math. Now, what will I do? Here, I see a 5. I see a 10 here. Correct? 5 times 2 is 10. Correct? Here, I see a 9. I see a 3 here. So 3 times 3 is 9. So we have chance to do something, right? Let's see. I'll keep 5 as 5. 9 I can write as what? 3 into 3. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Everybody okay? Now I have a 10 here. I can write 10 as 5 into 2. Is that okay? 3 is a prime number anyways, which I cannot break. I'll write 3 as 3.
And nothing can equal 3?
I'm sorry?
Because when you divide or multiply, nothing can equal 3.
Yeah. So I have just split the bigger numbers to smaller numbers, right? Smaller things are cuter, easier to manage. Yeah. Like you guys. Yeah. So here now, if you all remember something called tic-tac-toe. Tic-tac-toe you guys do? Yeah. So we'll do tic-tac-toe here. And what we'll do is, see, I see a 5 here, I see a 5 here. I can do tic-tac-toe.
Yeah.
I have a 3 here, I have a 3 here as well. I'll do tic-tac-toe. So basically,
Now all you gotta do is just multiply 3.
I have 3 over 2. That is the answer that Praneeth was trying to tell.
That's kind of easy.
That's kind of easy. That's the fun part of
The
it.
actual answer 1.5.
I don't care about the answer as I told you. Let's not worry about that, okay? I have some kind of aversion with answers. I don't like answers. Answers is a byproduct of what we learn. Okay? So let's focus on learning something rather than worrying about the answer, okay?
Because
See.
you're never gonna get the answer if you don't.
I was enjoying it, right? Tic-tac-toe, the game. Why to worry about the answer then? Answer will come. I got the answer any which way. Yeah?
Because you play tic-tac-toe.
Yeah. Let's see, you guys are all kids. You guys have to enjoy your childhood instead of worrying about the answer, instead of worrying about 100%, 90%, 70% kind of thing.
That is not gonna help you with this exam.
Exactly. Bingo. Okay. So now all that fun activity that we were doing just now, we will use this for multiplying fractions. Is everybody with me so far? Everybody clear about it? Let's not worry about answer. Now, if I would have told you guys to multiply 1 over 3 into 6 over 9 into 4 over 2, that would have looked scary to begin with. But it is not. We'll play with this. We have 3 fractions to multiply.
Yeah.
Yeah? First thing first. What will I do? Everything that I have on the first floor, I will write it here. 3 into 9 into 2. Because all are multiplications, right? 3 into 9 into 2. Let me write it better. Yeah? And then on the second floor, I have 1 into 6 into 4. So let me write it down. Okay? Nobody will try solving it. I'll give you guys problem to solve. Don't rush for it. Let the teacher do his job and try learning it first. Your answer is not going to give you $1 million for sure. Okay? Let's not rush for it. What we did, all the fractions we had, we put them together. Okay? Now we can play with this. And you don't have to be right always, okay? 1 I will leave as 1. 6 I can write as 3 into 2, correct? 6 I can write as 3 into 2. And 4 also I can write as 2 into 2. I'm just breaking them into smaller numbers because it's easy for me to avoid mistakes when I'm dealing with smaller numbers. Now 3 I will keep as 3. 9 I will break into 3 into 3, correct? 9 I can write as 3 into 3. And 2 I will... Now time to play again.
Yes, I see the 9 looks like a G.
This one, which one looks like D?
Like this.
This
just,
one?
Yeah, it looks like a G.
It looks like a Z, yeah, but it's a 9, okay. So my writing is a little questionable. Let's bear with it. You'll have to sometimes hear me to make some sense out of what I'm writing on the board, okay? Now, we have come to a point where we can play. Let's play. This 3 and this 3 I can do tic-tac-toe. This 2 and this 2 I can do tic-tac-toe. What do I have here? 2 into 2 in the second floor and 3 into 3 in the first floor. 2 into 2 becomes 4, 3 into 3 becomes 9. Done. By
That's
doing...
improper fraction.
What is that, Vita?
That's an improper fraction. Because there's a small. Oh, wait, yeah, it's not.
So, see, I don't differentiate between proper and improper fractions. These are just names, right? When your denominator is bigger, it's a proper fraction. When your numerator is bigger, it's improper fraction. But both are from the same family of fractions. Yeah? Yeah? Yeah, Praneet. You're trying to say something.
Is the answer 2.25?
I will not say that. 4 by 9, how come it will be 2.25?
He doesn't care about the answers.
I don't care about the answer. You guys are trapped with a very bad teacher, unfortunately. What to do?
You know how 4 is the multiple of 2 times 2? So just divide 9 by 2, which equals 4.5.
No, you should see. Okay, wait. You are flipping the whole concept upside down. You are trying to divide 4 by 9, not divide 9 by 4. If you divide 9 by 4, you'll get 2.25. If you're dividing 4 by 9, that's a number smaller than 1. But I'm not caring about it right now. See, remember one thing. That's why I keep stopping you guys from being concerned about the answer. You guys are so very keen on getting to the answer. 4 by 9 is not same as 9 by 4. Remember this. Go ahead, Saita. Okay? So, keep that.
9 by 4 is an improper fraction and 4 by 9 is
Exactly. What I'm saying, see, you guys are not enjoying math. That is where I get worried. Who is younger, me or you guys? Who is younger? Tell me. You guys are younger, right?
Yeah.
So you guys have to have more fun than me. I'm enjoying the math more than you guys right now. Try enjoying it. Whatever you learn, play with it. Only thing that you have to be careful, okay? When you're doing tic-tac-toe, it has to be on different floors. You cannot do tic-tac-toe this one and this one. That will be right. That will be a crime, not a mistake.
Because there should also be a 3 at the top and...
Exactly. I'm saying when you're doing tic-tac-toe, make sure that you're not doing tic-tac-toe on the same floor. It has to be on 2 different floors. Okay? If you're doing it here, that will not be an easy mistake. Not be an acceptable mistake actually. Okay? That's the only word of caution. But in a very playful way, what did we learn? We learned how to multiply fractions. Right? And
By doing tic-tac-toe.
by doing tic-tac-toe. Correct. And this tic-tac-toe works only when you are dealing with fraction multiplication. Okay? I want you guys to do one playful act, solve one problem. Okay? Solve this for me and then I'll go to the next thing that you want to do. Try. Try doing it. Play with it. Is there any mosquito near you? No? You're good. Only mommy is getting bothered because she is the outsider. Okay. You're still not playing. Yes, Praneet.
answer.
You have to tell this is my answer. You don't ask me question because that instills a bit of doubt in your mind. Here.
Okay, my answer is 3 by 2.
That is how I want it to be. Now, see, what you did was perfectly fine, but you did not play with it. See, it will become 3 into 12 by 6 into 4. Now, you will try breaking it down. 3 remains 3, it's a small number. 12 you can write as 4 into 3. Then 6 you can break as 3 into 2. And 4 you can keep it as 4 for now. Now play. This one gone. This one tic-tac-toe. This becomes 3 by 2. Yeah? Alright?
Yeah.
Okay. Did everybody get 3 by 2? So it is still playing with it?
Yes,
How is the game going on so far?
I just saw I went to also so that's how that's all.
Okay.
I'm still doing the question.
Okay. I wanted to teach you guys fraction division also, which I myself have not learned yet. But still wanted to try it. Okay? So Chris, is that part clear?
Yeah.
Isn't the fraction with division like 3 divided by 12 by 6 divided by 4 would be like you flip, you turn it to multiplication and 12 gets mad and then 12 comes down to the denominator.
I'll still repeat my story for everybody, okay? I think you remember it, but I will still do it because math is all about revising things and making sure that whatever we learn that stays with us for longer time. Yep. So Ita, are you close to being done? Are you still playing it?
I'm still playing it.
Okay. Finish the game quickly. We have only 10 more minutes before we are done with this class. So I want to teach you what I have myself not learned yet. You can clean your board so that we can pick up the next
We can
game.
do this again with them.
Okay. No, we'll do another one.
Yeah. See, the answer is 3 by 2.
Yeah. Okay. So, Sahita, don't worry about it. It's okay. You can delete that also. It's fine. So, Sahita, you can practice few more problems that I will anyways send in the assignment. So let's not worry about it. I believe you already know it. If even if you forgot, you will be able to pick it up by watching the video or by doing few more problems. Let's do something that your teacher also doesn't know. Okay? I'm trying to divide 3 over 2 by 6 over 9. There is a sad story here. I'm trying to divide 3 by 2. This is a fraction. This is also a fraction. I'm trying to divide this by this. But the biggest problem that we have is I don't know how to do division of fraction. Okay? So what I did, okay, I know multiplication, so I will do multiplication. I converted this division to multiplication. As soon as I did that, you know Akshara, what happened? This one got mad and flipped upside down. 6 by 9 became 9 by 6. Because I was forcing this division to multiplication, somebody got mad and flipped upside down.
That guy got mad because
Super mad. Yeah.
it turned into multiplication.
Mm-hmm. Because I don't know how to do division. I'm converting every division to multiplication. As soon as I do that, the number next to it gets mad and flips upside down. Yeah, Pranay.
Is the answer 9 by
Hold it. No, you cannot keep on talking about answer always. Answers are least important thing for me, trust me. Now, but the concept is this. When you're trying to do division, fraction division, you can convert division to multiplication, and as a result of that, this number will flip. Whatever is the denominator becomes numerator, and vice versa. Okay? So, this is what we have to solve. It's the same thing like what we knew. So it becomes 3 into 9, all things on the second floor together, all the things on the first floor together. So 3 remains 3, 9 I can break into 3 into 3. And here I have 2, and 6 I can break into 3 into 2. And to play again. 1, 3 and 1, 3 tic-tac-toe. That's it. So here I have 3 into 3, that becomes 9. 2 into 2 becomes 4. That's my answer. So answer is a byproduct of what we do. Let's not get inspired by the answer, okay? This one you'll anyways find if you don't make mistake here. Okay? So what did we learn today? We learned fraction multiplication and fraction division. Without,
multiplication.
I'm sorry, beta?
So is it like you're just, is that still division though?
It is division only. I converted division to multiplication. Okay? Yeah? I mean, that's the method to work. Whatever I told you was a story that I cooked up. Okay? Do you guys like my stories?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. I'm forcing you guys to say yes. But did you understand, Chris?
Yes.
Yeah? So fraction multiplication division are not difficult. It's just about how carefully we are doing it, okay? If we don't pay attention to how I'm dealing with numbers, let me show you guys something, because I play with math, right? So I'm showing you guys something that would look very difficult is actually not difficult. Let me say I have to do this 1 by 4 into 6, 3 by 8 into 4 by 6 divided by 2 by 9 multiplied by 8 by 50. Yeah. If I say that okay, we have to do this, you guys will start freaking out saying, oh, it's a big problem. But actually it's a good opportunity to play. First thing is, wherever I have division, I don't want to deal with division. I will convert that to multiplication. So let's do step by step. 1 by 4, 3 by 8, 4 by 6, and then I have a division. I'll convert that to multiplication. As soon as I did that, the number next to it gets mad and flips upside down. And then multiplication remains multiplication. Now I have all these numbers. What I'll do? 1 into 3 into 4. All the numbers on the second floor will come together. All the numbers on the first floor will put together. 4 into 8 into 6 into 2 into 15. Okay? Now, hey Manesh, you are 5 minutes early for the class. Bear with me, okay? Now, I already see there are numbers which are common. This 4 and this 4 I can do tic-tac-toe. This 8 and this 8 also I can do tic-tac-toe. Okay, what I'm left with? 3, 9. So I have, in the numerator I have 3 into 9, and in the denominator I have 6, 2 and 15. 2 and 15. 3 I will write as 3. 9 I can break into 3 into 3. 6 I can break into 3 into 2. 2 remains 2. 15 I can break into 5 into 3. Again, another chance to play. This 3 and this 3 tic-tac-toe. This 3 and this 3 tic-tac-toe. What I'm left with? 3 by 2 into 2 into 5. 3 by 2 into 2 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. Done. Something that looks scary is actually not scary unless we believe so. Okay? And all this calculation that looks difficult or lengthy, you just have to be careful. Look at this. I did not jump from here to here. I did step by step. Okay, I said, okay, in the first step I converted this division to multiplication. Okay, now I'm putting all the numbers together. Okay, I did that. Then I did tic-tac-toe here, and this became a smaller number. Now I'm breaking it further and then doing tic-tac-toe. When you're doing maths, don't jump steps. This is one thing I will shamelessly say in front of mommy also. I always say that I am not a very intelligent person. Because if I pretend that I am intelligent, I will jump steps. And that is where my chances of going wrong is more. Always do your math like a story. As long as you are doing it step by step, the chances of making mistake is less. Yes, Pranay.
Well, I was just saying how did you get 3 by 20 and now redoing
Yeah.
stuff?
by the time my class gets over, my hands are dirty. I want you guys to get your hands dirty as well. Meaning, do as much practice as you can. Because that is what will make sure that all these things you are doing more like a muscle memory rather than stressing out with math. Okay? Akshara, is that clear? Sohita, clear? Pranit, clear? Chris, clear?
Yes.
Okay. So that brings us to the end of the class. If anybody has any question, any good story to tell, you guys have only 3 more minutes. Yes, Pranit. Pranit, go ahead. Unmute yourself, then only I can hear you.
I was saying, I must have kept my hand up.
Okay, not a problem. Alright, so, yes, Sohita, go ahead.
So, when you cancel, is there like 4 over there, and there's 2s, and you cancel 4 and you put a 2? Does that count?
As long as you are breaking that into smaller numbers and then dealing with it, should be fine. Okay? Just do it carefully, that's the trick. Okay? Alright. Guys, go back to whatever you were doing, have fun, and we'll talk to you guys day after tomorrow. Alright? Bye Akshara, bye Sohita. Manas, stay with me for some more time, we'll get started soon. Alright?